L'oreal Elvive brought out their own Bond Repair hair care, so let's review it. In today's film, we are going to be testing out, reviewing, and talking about Elvive's Bond Repair hair care. So if you want to find out more about this hair care, whether it's good or if it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film, we are reviewing Drugstore hair products, and Elvive by L'Oreal Paris brought out their own Bond Repair system. So when I seen it in the supermarket, I was like, give me that. And it was actually very hard to get the whole range, so we only have 2 products to try out, but I mean, 2 is better than none. This hair care range will restore the hair back to its original strength. So you guys, with no further ado, let me present you with product number 1. Bond Repair Rescue Pre-Treatment by L'Oreal Paris Elvive. In this product, we do get 200 ml of products for €19.99. So you guys, when it comes to drugstore, this is actually not cheap. I mean, €20 for a treatment from a drugstore. I mean, this is quite pricey, and as we all know, you guys, a lot of brands have jumped on that hype when it comes to bond strengtheners, etc, etc. So this is your classic pre-treatment. Let's look at the packaging. So I mean, the packaging is actually kind of pretty. I mean, for drugstore, I mean, this packaging I'm living for. I think it's beautiful. I like how scientific and kind of bonding it is. Obviously, we have a little symbol of bond strength, and like that, this product is going to recreate the broken hair bonds. So it's going to recreate the inner broken hair bonds, and like that, it's for all types of hair of all damage. In this product, we have 12% of bond repair complex with citric acid, and citric acid is known to be a quite good ingredient when it comes to bond strengtheners. It is available in many bond strengtheners. So I mean, when it comes to Elvive, they know what they're doing. After using this whole hair care range, we're going to notice 98% less breakage, 90% more shine, and 82% stronger hair. So you guys, obviously this is your classic pre-treatment. So what you do is you dampen down your hair, you apply it to your hair, you leave it in for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So you guys, with no further ado, I'm going to quickly dampen down my hair, and we're gonna pop this on camera, so you guys don't go anywhere. Right, you guys, my hair is damp, so let's open this up, let's smell it, etc, etc. So I'm gonna pour a tiny bit of that on my hand. It is creamy in consistency. And how does it smell? It smells like classic Elvive, very drugstore and everything. So you guys, I'm gonna apply that onto my hair and leave it on for 5 minutes. And you guys, actually, I couldn't get a shampoo from it. Like, I couldn't find a shampoo anywhere in Dublin. Well, anywhere that I looked, I couldn't find it. So what am I going to do is I'm actually going to wash my hair using the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate, because like that, it also contains citric acid. So could this be a dupe for the ABC range? We will find out. So how does the product feel? I mean, it feels like any other pre-treatment. The product is actually not too thin, not too thick. It actually feels nice in the hair, but we're gonna see if we're gonna notice less breakage, more shine, and stronger hair. So while that's on my hair, let's talk about the next product. Bond Repair Conditioner by L'Oreal Paris Elvive. In this product, we do get 150 ml of products for €15.99. So I mean, you guys, when it comes to this range, this is not cheap when it comes to drugstore. So I mean, drugstore prices are definitely skying up. Like, I mean, they're definitely going up. So what can I tell you about this product? Obviously, we also have the Bond Repair Complex with citric acid, and we have 10% of it in it. Like that, the packaging is quite cool. Do we see anything else on it? Obviously, it says about the breakthrough technology. Hair is restored to its original strength. And after using the Bond Repair pre-shampoo and shampoo, apply from lengths to tips, leave on for 3 minutes, then rinse, follow up with the Bond Repair leave-in serum, which I don't have. So basically, after I'm going to rinse this, I'm going to shampoo my hair, and I'm going to try this conditioner. So let's open this up first and see. Okay, so the conditioner, I mean, the texture of the conditioner is actually quite nice. Let's smell it. Okay, so it smells just like any drugstore. And the formula feels beautiful. The formula is nice and creamy, not too thick, not too rich. I am impressed from what I can feel. But how will my hair look? So what am I going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to leave that on for another few minutes. I'm going to shampoo it off. I'm going to apply the conditioner. We're going to come back and we're going to talk about the L'Oreal Elvive Bond Repair. So you guys don't go anywhere. Right, you guys, and my hair is washed and rinsed. Well, I didn't wash it. I rinsed it and conditioner using the Elvive's Bond Repair. So what can I tell you? When it comes to the actual pre-treatment, this is actually very, very good. Do I think it's a dupe for ABC range by Redken? No. Is it similar? Yes, it is. I actually think this is a very good product and it felt amazing on my hair. When it came to the conditioner now, you guys, I can tell you straight away, the typical drugstore, the product is very diluted. So I found the conditioner is very diluted. What I would normally use, the same amount I would normally use of, let's say, the ABC conditioner, I nearly had to use double with the Elvive. Like, there wasn't enough of it in it. Like, my hair still felt dry. Like, it didn't condition it enough with the same amount. I had to use double the amount of product. So guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to quickly dry off my hair and we're going to see the final results and talk about everything. Right, you guys, and my hair is dry, and what can I tell you? I am shook. I am shocked. I did not expect this. I mean, we have the shine. Definitely, we got the shine. The hair looks good. The hair feels stronger. The hair feels hydrated. You got me there, Elvive. I did not expect that. So you guys, when it comes to Elvive's Bond Repair pre-treatment and conditioner, this is not a hate but dirt. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media, and of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.